Hi, everyone. This is Marcy Moore. The next thing that we're going to learn about off of here at the platform is Nearpod. Nearpod is amazing. Nearpod can be, it's an engagement app. And so it brings educators and students on the same platform. It brings assessment to a gamification. You can make it fun. It's educationally driven, but focuses on both teaching and the learning to be fun. So it's an incredible, incredible app for students to use as an assessment and for teachers to use as an assessment. So I wanted to kind of show you, you have a dashboard that happens and you can do everything from your dashboard. You can use Nearpod for your whole lesson, a video, a quick video, a formative assessment, gamified activities. You can also put PowerPoints in here. It goes with Google Slides. You can build Google Slides immediately. You can have Nearpod things in your Google Slides, so you can actually create it from Google Slides. It's an add-on. You can make a PDF. You can make YouTube videos, video files. You can do everything. You can have a live participation, student paced. You can do it in front of the class. You're actually going to do a student paced one. If you go all the way through the modules here, you can post reports. It gives you data. Y'all, it's phenomenal. So something that I've put in here for you that you'll want to work through is everything you need to know about Nearpod. I mean, I'm going to do my little video and show you, but you do want to go through here. This is awesome and awesome. So this goes through Nearpod lessons, how to join. You can just click these and change. And this is a module that will continually change every time. And it will show you short little clips of how to do things. So this is an awesome training module that I've put in there for you. How it works. How it works is a blog. They have a blog, and if you go down here, you can see how it works. So it's an interactive lesson, and so to get started, you just go in and you put your lesson together. So it might be a PowerPoint, it might be Google Slides, it might just be a Nearpod experience. You might go into the library and find a Nearpod already created. That's what I do a lot. And then you give your students a chance to show what they know. So you can add real life check-ins, understanding, built-in accessibility features, Microsoft immersive readers in here. So you're going to be able to have that. And then you're also going to add, they have virtual reality stimulation. So that's what you're going to do today. You're going to actually, if you go and do the lessons that I put in here, it's a virtual reality of a volcano. And you're going to see how amazing that is that you could add that in. So here again, in your assessment, you're breaking the borders of the classroom and you're taking someone out all the way to a volcano and you're able to see the volcano. So there's lots of virtual reality in here. You can know where your students are every step. It does data. You get real insights to students. So not only are you just giving them an assessment, but then you're able to have that live data go, you don't understand this. Let's go back over it. So this is a really cool thing that I put in there. And then I've also put in a video to show you, like, if you don't have any idea how to use it, this video shows you exactly how to use it. It goes step by step for you on how to do a Nearpod. And then, like I said, I've put in a self-paced student lesson for you. So you'll open up your Nearpod app on your phone. And then or you can actually do it in here as well. You type your name in, you join the lesson, and then you start. And this lesson is going to take it through there. It's going to take you through the different things to get started. And then you're going to explore a volcano. And so we're going to go into that. And then you have this ability here to go through and look at what it looks like to be on a volcano, and then you have this ability to tell me what you think, and so you can interact with me. You can draw. I've asked you to draw how the volcano changes. So drawing is assessment. If I know that you can get that, and then you'll go ahead and push submit when it's done. So great experience for you to be able to get in and go do. I do want to show you Nearpod and let you experience that because you're thinking of this from a teacher point of view, not just a student. That if you needed to build one of these, you can click that Nearpod. It's going to take you in. You would go in. It's free to a point, and but you go in and you use it. You'd be able to create a lesson. So you can create a lesson from here. You can click create lesson, and then you can just start to add in. You can also add in a Google slide if you've already created that, but you would click the lesson, and then it's super easy to start adding a slide. You would say what you want to do, a video, you want to do a VR, however you want to do it. You would add those in there, and it basically will go. You can also do drag and drop if you need to, if you've already done files like in Google. And then you would build this lesson, and then you would be able to share it. So once you go in here, you have your library, you have reports. So I would have data reports on kids that took lessons. This is where your data report is. And then you have the Nearpod library. So the Nearpod library has amazing features in it. Some are free, some are like teacher pay teacher, and it will tell you if it costs, but you could pay $3 and have a lesson. I mean, it's kind of what you would want if you want to do that. But you can do lessons, activities, that kind of thing. And then you can do it by standards. So if you wanted to go in and put it by Texas standards, you could do that. And then you could do ELAR or math, and it's going to come up with the grade level that you want. And it's going to pull in all of these things that are already done for you. So you can go in, grab them. This is a free lesson that has all these Texas standards. You add to your library, and boom, you have this lesson. Now you have this lesson, and you have the ability to share it. So this is an easy way to set up one of your technology assignments. So if you wanted to, you could go in and you can edit each one of those. So you have the ability to click on this. You can edit, go through, duplicate it, look at it. You can edit right here. You want to edit this lesson, make it look the way that you want it to look, then you can do that. And then when you're ready to share it, you would just do live participation or self pace. I'm not sure which is which that you're going to be doing, but then you would just share it by a link, share it. You can copy that link or whatever you need to do. And then you can give the code if you need to students. And that's how easy it is to get that started. But that library, this Nearpod library, is a time saver. So you can choose what you want, choose the different lessons, and then you have it. So Nearpod is easy, fun. It's so interactive and amazing. Your students will love it. So make sure you take a look at all of this inside of here.